Hey, welcome back to Cyber Techy SARRANNH. In this video, I will show you how to remove this error in Feedburner. Your feed file size is larger than 1024K. Let's get started. In this section, we can see the error is shows like this. Your feed file size is larger than 1024K. You need to reduce its size in other or Feedburner to process it. We want to reduce our size. You can see here error. We can solve it easily. Then click on explain why technical validity matters. Click on this link. It will show like this. Then click on is there a feed file size limit. Click on this link. Then click on follow these steps. You can see here, just copy the code from here to here. Just copy it. Then come back. Then select the Feedburner. Then paste the link here. Feed URL. Then click on next. Then you can see welcome, let's burn a feed for you. Then click on next. Here you can see congrats, your Feedburner feed is now live. Want to dress it up a little. Now the Feedburner issue is solved. You can see here. Thanks for watching.